Not long ago, only top-tier camera flagships were bold enough to wear the Ultra badge. But now, gaming phones are stepping into that territory too. Enter the iQOO 15 Ultra. Pricier, more powerful, and packed with even more features than before. On paper, it looks completely maxed out. But does it truly live up to the Ultra name? Today, we're breaking it all down, from the cooling fan and performance to comfort in hand, battery endurance, and those extra gaming-focused features. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. Instead of sticking to a typical design, the iQOO 15 Ultra goes its own way with a distinctive airflow layout. The intake sits right beneath the camera module, while hot air exits through the right side of the back panel. Inside, it uses large fan blades measuring 17 millimeters in diameter with a 4 millimeter rear depth, delivering a single unit airflow of 0.315 CFM. There's also an extended L-shaped air channel, which helps keep noise down and prevents warm air from being sucked back in after it's expelled. To check how loud it gets, we tested the fan at low, medium, and high speeds in an office setting. At low speed, it's impressively quiet, though the noise becomes noticeable when cranked all the way up. Keep in mind this was a controlled test, so treat these results as reference only. At the lowest setting, I personally still found it slightly audible, but that really comes down to personal sensitivity. If you usually game with other devices nearby, it's unlikely to bother you. When it comes to durability, iQOO clearly put some thought into it. The entire phone is dust-proof and water-resistant, while the fan itself is fully waterproof. This is especially helpful since dust can build up over time with long-term use. There's even a cleaning brush included in the box, and if you'd rather not deal with it yourself, you can simply visit after-sales support. You also get a 5-year fan warranty, along with lifetime cleaning service. So with top-level gaming performance and strong audio, does adding a fan automatically make this phone ultra? After putting it through its paces, we don't think that alone is the reason. The bigger upgrade is actually in the passive cooling system, which now offers a larger heat dissipation area. Paired with iced Xiong thermal insulation aerogel, heat is guided more efficiently toward the airflow path. With both active and passive cooling working together, the iQOO 15 Ultra reached a comprehensive score of 4.46 million. That number is honestly a bit flashy and lines up with what competitors usually report in lab conditions. For real-world gaming, we used a professional testing tool called Performance Dog and pushed everything to the limit. Running Star Iron Gold for 1 full hour at 60 FPS and 981p resolution, the phone delivered an average frame rate of 60.1 with a 1% low of 59.7. But for most players, temperature and battery drain matter even more. After that 1-hour session, the phone's surface temperature stayed at just 41 degrees Celsius, which feels comfortable in hand. Average power draw came in at 6.35 watts, and battery usage for the hour was 19%. That works out to roughly 5 hours of continuous Star Iron gameplay. And since we ran the fan at maximum the whole time, you could probably squeeze out even more playtime using Smart Fan Mode. Does that sound impressive to you? Thanks to the improved cooling, the phone can really push harder in games. It launches with support for 144 FPS and max graphics in titles like King of Glory, while the Q3 chip is allowed to stretch its legs even further. More games now support dual adaptation, 2K visuals are becoming standard, and the third-tier version jumps up to 2K plus 120 FPS with ray tracing. It even supports the mobile game Awakening Spirit for the first time. Take the Light and Shadow Plaza as an example. Once ray tracing is switched on, the visual difference is immediately obvious. To sum it all up, the iQOO 15 Ultra delivers powerful hardware paired with smart software tuning. If you're planning to stay indoors and grind games during winter break, this phone definitely deserves a spot on your shortlist. With shoulder buttons and a gyroscope working together, it offers a truly complete gaming setup. For the first time, iQOO adds built-in shoulder triggers, complete with high sampling rates, a sweat-resistant design, and a dedicated control chip, all aimed at upgrading the overall gaming accessory experience. For players who don't want to master complicated multi-finger screen controls but still need extra inputs, those shoulder buttons are a huge win. More advanced gamers will also appreciate how the iQOO 15 Ultra fine-tunes performance for specific situations, especially in games like Valorant that demand precise microcontrol. The new ultra-responsive touch system makes quick stops and sideways swipes feel easier and more accurate. There's also a next-gen ultra-sensitive gyroscope with lower error and faster reaction time, which is perfect for titles like Call of Duty. After sliding or recovering, the gyro helps smooth out aim adjustments and can even assist with targeting. Now let's talk battery. The phone packs a massive 7,400 mAh cell, yet its overall size is the same as the standard version with only a slight increase in thickness. The measured weight comes in at around 228 grams, and most of that added bulk comes from the larger battery. Charging stays impressive at 100 watt wired and 40 watts wireless, and the included cable has been upgraded to a 9.2 ATS capsule charger. These little details really stand out, especially for gaming or tight setups. With wired charging, the phone reaches a full charge in just 57 minutes. On the spec side, the iQOO 15 Ultra doesn't hold back. It's also the first iQOO device to support Dolby Atmos, and it features the well-known 1115 coaxial speaker, which is considered top tier in the smartphone world. When you compare the external speakers, the difference is clear. Camera improvements this time are focused entirely on software. The telephoto square stabilization algorithm has been refined further, now supporting SEPA 4.5G stabilization. Paired with an upgraded image quality engine, both high zoom shots and night photography see noticeable gains. Connectivity also gets a boost with stronger mobile and Wi-Fi antenna performance. The phone supports an impressive 31 5G bands, including the overseas N18 band and 2 domestic-specific bands, N79 and N28B. As for pricing, the base version of the iQOO 15 Ultra starts at 566.99 yuan in China, which works out to roughly 600 pounds in the UK, or about 822 US dollars. And that wraps up the review. As iQOO's first true high-performance ultra flagship, what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.